A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant development in South Korea's political landscape, the Seoul Central District Court has ordered the release of impeached President Yoon Suk Yeol from jail, where he has been detained since January 15th. This ruling comes as Yoon faces insurrection charges related to his controversial decision to impose martial law in December. The court's decision has sparked a wave of reactions across the nation, as it allows Yoon to stand trial while not being physically detained. However, the ruling does not clear him of the serious charges he faces, and prosecutors have a week to appeal the court's decision. The court found that prosecutors had violated procedural rules by holding Yoon in detention longer than legally permitted before officially indicting him. Despite the ruling, Yoon will remain in custody for the time being as the legal battle continues. His defense team has argued that the detention was unjustified, and the court's acceptance of this argument marks a significant moment in Yoon's ongoing legal struggles. Yoon's detention and impeachment have been at the center of a political storm in South Korea, with massive rallies erupting across major cities as supporters and opponents of the president clash. The martial law decree he issued, which involved deploying troops and police to the National Assembly, has evoked memories of South Korea's tumultuous past under military rule. The decree lasted only 6 hours before being overturned by lawmakers who managed to convene and vote against it. Yoon has defended his actions, claiming that the martial law was intended to inform the public of threats posed by the opposition Democratic Party, which he alleges undermined his administration. However, testimonies from military and police officials suggest that Yoon may have intended to obstruct the legislative process and suppress dissent. As the Constitutional Court deliberates whether to uphold Yoon's impeachment, the political divide in the country is becoming increasingly pronounced. If the court decides to remove Yoon from office, a snap election will be called within 60 days to select his successor. This impending decision has left the nation on edge, as citizens await the outcome that could reshape the political landscape. The implications of the court's ruling extend beyond Yoon's immediate fate. They reflect broader tensions within South Korean society. Experts warn that the ongoing political turmoil could exacerbate the already deep divisions between conservative and liberal factions in the country. Yoon's presidency has been marked by controversy, and his arrest is unprecedented in South Korean history, as he is the first sitting president to face criminal charges while in office. As the situation unfolds, the eyes of the nation remain fixed on the Constitutional Court. The upcoming decision will not only determine Yoon's future, but also set a precedent for the accountability of political leaders in South Korea. In a climate rife with misinformation and political strife, the demand for transparency and justice has never been more critical. The citizens of South Korea are left to navigate the complexities of their political system as they await the next chapter in this unfolding saga. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.